Local news for Friday the 13th of October. Voting is open for the 2017 Fonterra Board of Directors elections, the shareholders' council elections in 10 wards and 6 annual meeting resolutions. This year, shareholders have the opportunity to elect 3 Fonterra directors. Shareholders can meet and ask questions of the director candidates at the directors' election candidate meetings, which run from Monday next week. There were 26 less property sales in Masterton in September compared with the month before. September saw 30 sales, with 26 over the RV and 4 unknown. In Carterton, there was a slight increase with 20 sales and 16 sales in South Wairarapa, with all of those over the RV. And Steve and Jean Thompson from Tanui will feature on Sunday night's episode of Country Canada. Steve juggles his sheep and beef farming with supporting others in the rural community whose mental health is suffering. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush will wrap up their season tomorrow night as they host West Coast at Trust House Memorial Park. Kick-off is at 6 p.m. Playing for prides and with a few injuries, a great night's action is assured. Kick-off is at 6 p.m. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.